another output if the function is already treated in other classes. Okay, and class A have some attribution methods. We try to give all the attribution method to single class B, and we have some attribution class also in the B. Then we just try to inherit to C. So in this structure, what this means that we have a class and we take all the attributes and method pairs to class B, and we have something and we try to take it into C. So this structure is called as a multi-level inheritance. Okay. So this is a code for a multi-level inheritance. We have a class, say class is animal, and we have something into a class, and we extend animal from our dog class, and dog class is inherited another class that is something like puppy or something like that. So one class is inherited to another class, and this class is inherited from another class. This is a structure. So it's called as a multi-level inheritance. It's like a ladder, one by one ladder. So now we try to talk about hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical is a relationship. So we have class C, and class C is have more and more inheritance class like sales technique, technical, ASR, and operation. And those classes have also some titles and developer. So this is a structure that has some child, and those child has another some child. So this architecture. So we have some main parent class, and main parent have some child class, and this child class is also some child class. So this architecture is called as a hierarchical inheritance. So this is an example for a hierarchical class. So we have a main parent class that is animal, and we extend this animal. Extend is Java is made inheritance. It means we have something, and we just gather all things in this class without anything. So we just use extend animal to get all the element, all the statements, attributes from our dog classes. And these dog classes is extend from these cat classes. So it's a simple example, but a hierarchical into C. So this is one. So what is runtime polymorphism? So runtime polymorphism means that let's take example here. So we have a class and we try to override. We have same class, same method, sound, and we try to inherit. So if we just get object with the help of animal, then it's showing animal like sound. But if we try to create a new method, new object using block class, then it gives us block base. What does it mean? It means we are inheriting from this class, but it cannot give the actual output. If we create an object using it, then it gives this. But we try to inherit from this class to this class. It means that if we create an object using block and create a method like method like sound, then we think we can find this, but we are finding this one. So this means when a class is created and inherit from another class, and we try to give the same name, same method, then it's giving